Hi, I am Igor Glass, and today I'll tell you how to fix problem with wsl, where you can't install Ubuntu or any other Linux distributive under Windows, and you have this error. So what to do? You should downgrade from WSL 2, which installed by default with this command. So wsl.exe install it installs version 2. So you need to downgrade to version 1 to fix this problem. To do so, we open PowerShell and just paste this command. Okay, we did it. And now we could start Ubuntu again. Yay, you see? Now we should choose username. So yeah, it works. WSL works. But anyway, you can try. It wouldn't hurt to try to switch to version 2. So first check which version you are right now. Okay, it's first version, and your machine is stopped. So if you will start your Ubuntu, you will see that okay, it's running. If you close it, it will stop. Not immediately, but after some time. So what you could do, you could try this command to set version to second. But yeah, you see, it's immediately telling me that okay, my virtual machine doesn't like it. So for me, it doesn't work. I can't use second version, but it's all right because even first WSL, it's very good. It's faster than other virtualization. So I downgraded to WSL 1, and WSL 2 just doesn't work at my PC because my PC it's very old one, like 15 years or something like this. So even though my Windows version, so WinVer, if we will check, it's more than enough, the minimum requirement. I tried everything. My virtualization and BIOS turned on. You could try, if you want to try Windows features, go to Windows features and check that you have enabled here Hyper-V and this virtual machine platform, Windows virtual hypervisor platform. You see, it's everything enabled, but it still doesn't work for me. But again, it's all right. It's all right because WSL 1, it's still good thing to work with. So you definitely can work in it better than in Cygwin, for example, because Cygwin, it's not native Linux, you could say, while WSL provide you a better solution. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that this video will help you to start it at your PC. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.